Hello and welcome. One more tutorial for you. This is a very important one. I'm gonna talk about the major differences between TradeSmart and any other company I've ever done. So this is our website where we put the information. If you need to buy bitcoins to invest in TradeSmart, you can buy using Fastcoin. They are available 24 hours a day. So 7 days a week you can pay with your Visa Master, covering more than 180 countries. Very easy, very fast. If you want to swap any crypto to Bitcoin, for example, let's say you have Ethereum, let's say you have USDT, you can swap it to Bitcoin using this. It's very easy. So you just put there, I want to swap 3000 USDT to Bitcoin, and tell here where to receive, and just go next step, send the USDT, and you will get the Bitcoins. So the major difference between TradeSmart and any other company I've done is that they only deal in Bitcoins. They don't have any packages like $50, $100, $300, no. Here everything is done in Bitcoin. They pay you 7 days a week, not only Monday to Friday, and the only thing that there is a limit is on the minimum to invest or a minimum to withdraw. So let's go here onto the main account. I'm gonna log in into my main account, and you will see that the company does not show any dollar amount. For example, this is my balance right now. It's showing it in Bitcoin. This is what I have invested right now. It's showing in Bitcoin. This is my working leg, binary side. This is my spill leg for the binary side. This is what I have so far today to receive binary from. As you can see, everything here is done in Bitcoins. So it's totally different from any other company I've done. They don't use dollars for anything. If you go to your general statement, the company is paying you in Bitcoin. Look, binary, it was paid in Bitcoin yesterday. Revenue trade, I would say this is like the return of investment, it's paid in Bitcoin. We can transfer Bitcoins to any other user. So everything is done in Bitcoin. That's the first major difference. The second one is that you will never have any problems again when you want to upgrade or when you want to activate your package, because there is no package limit. For example, companies I did in the past, let's say the first package was $100. So if you have like $90 or you send it a little bit less, your package would not be activated because it was not the right amount. This company, for example, you will never have that problem, because any amount that you send, you can use that amount as long as it's more than 0.001, which is like $30. So you can send 35, you can send 50, you can send 91, you can send any amount that you have, and then you start trading and operating with that amount. This is amazing. It's gonna save a lot of headaches and trouble for the support. The third thing is you can compound. So every day the earning that you receive, you can reinvest. Every time you reinvest, you are opening new trades. Let me show you what it is. For example, here, the first trade is this package here. It was 0.15. So this was the first trade that we did. This is around $5,000. So when that hits 200%, it will be completed. And here you can see what is been coming in binary, what is been coming in direct referral, and what's been coming in on daily profit. For example, here, this one, it was a package that was done with 0.003, and it already stopped paying because it was already paid with binary. So you see 0.003 became binary, and now it's on 100%. So this one has stopped. This one, it's still paying. 0.01 was the investment, so 15% came in on that, and here is the daily profit. This one also stopped already. As you can see, it just doubled it, binary, and so on. So this is the third reason you can compound, you can reinvest.